It's Cebu versus Luspin for our inter-province category. First position of Cebu. Oh, it's Urbano. Nice shot. First basket on Luspin. On Pakibot. Now Loverboy to Bugo. Bugo first attempt, first shot to strong shot. Now rebound against Carmona. Looking for Urbano. Back to Carmona. Carmona 14 to shoot. Urbano 10 to shoot. Black by Javier. Short rebound. Carmona. Oh! Ano mo ba Carmona? It's 4-0. Foul. Oh, foul. Basket that counts. Foul on number 17. On Pakibot. First on Pakibot. First team foul against Luspin. Javier. Too strong. Rebound on Pakibot.
Presto, sige.
Now Urbano. Pakibot. Back to Urbano. 14 to shoot. Tanaya. Yes, on Tanaya. 6-0. It's a 6-0 run coming from Luspin.
Score, guys!
Jay, wag mo sundan yan, Jay. Matan mo lang. Ganyan. Ganyan.
Panganiban to Loverboy. 10 to shoot. Panganiban. Oh! In and out. Rebound naman by Pakibot. It's Urbano. Drive. Looking for. Oh! It's turnover on Luspin. It's 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Now Panganiban. Loverboy Loy. It's Loverboy Loy. Side step. Nice pass natin Jeffrey. Turn. Twist. Short. Rebound back time. Now on Urbano. Guarded by Jeffrey. Urbano. 1-1. Urbano. Kuso. Rebound on Javier. Now it's Loverboy Loy. Loverboy. 6-2. 4-point lead on Luspin. Now Urbano. Tanaya. Kick out pass. Back to Urbano. Batulan. Short. Rebound on Panganiban. Now it's Loverboy. It's Loverboy. Now looking for it. Kick out. Nice defense on Urbanos. It's shot clock reset. 24. 6 minutes and 44 seconds.
Kakap ka ba?
Loverboy to Javier. Bang! Oh, Javier! 6-5. It's 1-point lead on Luspin. Urbano. Batulan. Short. Top. Panganiban. It's... Oh! Almang na 7-5. Nice cut by Pakibot. 6 minutes. Now Loverboy.
Laki, kita ka.
Bugo. Too strong. Rebound on Batulan. Intercepted by Jeffrey. Jeffrey drive. Guarded by Tanea. Loverboy. Fake. Loverboy. Hang time. Bang. And Loverboy. 8-7. It's 1-point lead Luspin. Now Urbano. Carmona. Wow! Inanatakan by Carmona. It's rebound by Javier. It's the Laberloy, it's Laberloy, 1-on-1. Laberloy goes to Kosic. Offensive foul on Laberloy. Time out. On Lusbin, it's 8 against 7. 1 point lead on Lusbin. First personal foul on Laberloy. First on Cebu.
Sino nag-foul? Ay, nag-foul?
Luli.
Cebu?
Luy foul. Time out dito. Usman.
Ikot kalakay.
5 minutes and 28 seconds. Ibaw ni Pakibot. Na Urbano. Ikalba sa batulan is 3-second violation on Tanea. 5 minutes. Nice defense on Cebu. Panganiban.
Kalakay, nalaman ka unay.
To Laberloy, Laberloy.
Stop.
Na Javier. Rebound is foul. Foul on Jeffrey. Second team foul on Cebu. First against Jeffrey.
Kalakay. Maunag ka unay ta.
Na Urbano. Tanea. Nice defense again on Cebu. It's Panganiban. Na Urbano. Urbano now. Looking for Pakibot. Oh! It's scored over again on Lusbin. It's 4 minutes and 23 seconds. 8-7. Only 1 point lead Lusbin. Panganiban. 14 to shoot. 1-1 by Italian. It's foul. Foul on number 16 on Tanea. First on Tanea. Second team foul on Lusbin. 4 minutes.
Batulan. Garaw ka.
Louis. Nice to Javier. Short. Oh, it's Jeffrey. It's 9-8. 1 point lead now, Cebu. Urbano. Kadi ba yung buko? Urbano escape. Elbow jumper. Urbano. It's 10-9. Back to 1 point lead on Lusbin. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. This is our inter-province category. Lusbin versus Cebu. Panganiban. Too strong. Rebound on Pakibot. Now Urbano. 3-on-1. Urbano. Let me do it. Urbano. 12-9. 3-point lead back to Lusbin. It's 3 minutes.
Kalakay, tipa.
Bugo.
Ito na. Ano na? Sumisigaw ako kanina.
Panganiban. Bang! Basket count on 1. On Panganiban. Foul on number 2. On
Dapat tipa ka.
16. On Tanea. Second personal foul on Tanea.
Si Sunong sundan mo, dalam ka. Paikot-ikot ka.
12-11. It's 1 point lead on Lusbin. Rebound on Javier. 14 shots sa clock. Nice move to play by Loy. Rebound on Pakibot again. It's foul.
Loy!
Foul on Loy. It's person Loy. 13 foul on Cebu.
Uli ka, Loy!
Second on Loy. 13 foul on Cebu. Urbano. Bang! On Carmola. 15-11.
Lapit, patulan!
Panganiban.
Mariosep!
Tulaberloy. Javier. For tray ball. Rebound on Pakibot.
Easy lang, buddy.
2 minutes. Now Urbano. Batulan, back to Urbano. Drive, nice kick out pass to Carmona. Time to shoot. Tanea. Whoa! Ano mo ba ito niya? 6-17 against 11. In 6-point lead now, Lusby. This is our second game. Cebu against Lusby. Now Bugo, guarded by Urbano. Time to shoot. Rebound on Makibot. Urbano all alone to Batulan. 19-11. It's 8-point lead on Lusby. 1 minute.
Last one!
50 seconds.
Besto!
45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Oh, Tanay again. Top. Carmona. Short. Carmona again. Black by Javier. Louis. It's hang time, Louis. Looking for Buko. Oh, short. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Bye. Short. Pangaliban. And our first quarter score, it's 19-11. It's 8-point lead on Lusby. Second quarter ready, second quarter. And again, we'd like to thank our referee for tonight, referee Abdullah Sismark and referee Ram Jet. It's Cebu ball, Cebu. And our sponsors, thank our sponsors. TUI, Basketballista, The Inkers Abu Dhabi.
Walang sundot. Sabayan nyo lang. Shadow. Papasa yan.
Still on Prigola.
Sige sa malapit.
Now, Sunday, Domingo.
Spacing.
Pasya, fake, drive, pasa, side step. Elbow jumper, too strong, rebound. Bang! Basket count and one. On Floren, first team foul on Cebu.
Turun.
Rebound on Muneba.
Walang sundot.
Sarmento. Yes, on Sarmento from Muneba. 21-13. Now, Priagola. Sunday, Domingo. Kick out pass to Pasya. Sunday, Domingo, air ball, short, rebound on Cebu. Ang Malajos. Nice break. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Maxino. First personal foul on Maxino, first team foul on Spin. Now Muneba, escape, drive, kick out pass. On for jumper, too strong, tap again by Muneba. Muneba to Sarmento, bang on Sarmento. 21-15 now, 6-point lead on Lusby.
Dubai yun na. 45 Dubai.
Paragola. Rebound on the ball. Now, Malajos. Malajos for 3. Airborne. Rebound by the ball. The ball grab. The ball. Time out. On Lusby. Now 21 against 17. It's 4-point lead on Lusby. Timeout is brought to you by Basketballista. Seven minutes and 54 seconds.
Dalawang shirt nila.
White card. Hey.
Now, Sunday, Domingo. Pasya. Back to Domingo. 14 to shoot. Paragola. 10 to shoot. It's Cebu ball. Cebu. 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
A branch now. A branch now.
Now, Malajos. Moneva for 3. Too strong. Rebound on Maxino. Now, Priagola drive. Scott Priagola 1-1. Right, still a Moneva again. It's Moneva. Moneva is foul. Foul on number 3 on Maxino. Second team foul on Luspin. Second personal foul on Maxino. Seven minutes, 21 against 17. 21-18. Back to 3-point lead on Luspin. Nineteen to 21.
Asya, lapitan mo na. Lapitan mo agad. Pila ulit. Hindi balance eh.
Maxino, 14 to shoot. Loren. Rebound on the ball. Up. It's nice defense. It's LB ball. LB.
Pasya, tulungan mo muna rumisip. Pasya, tulungan mo muna rumisip ng bola. Pasya, tulungan mo rumisip.
Now Maxino, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Pasya to Domingo. Pasya. Nice pass, kick out pass. Loren to Domingo, drive, rebound, steal, is foul. Foul on number 8 on Domingo. Third team foul on Luspin. First personal foul on number 8 on Domingo. Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos na 22-21. 1 point lead Cebu. Pasya. Now Domingo. Airball. 4 minutes and 38 seconds.
Take time. Switch.
Now Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. Back to back, 3-point shot. Kami pang Malajos. Pasya to Maxino. Rigola. Still again on Malajos. Malajos na. It's Malajos. Malajos looking for Moneva. It's foul. Foul on number 11 on Pasya. Warning for penalty on Luspin. First on Pasya. Malajos agad. in and out. Rebound on Floren. Floren, 1-1, it's foul.
Ay,
Foul on number 4 on Malajos. It's second team foul on Cebu. First on Malajos. Three minutes and 45 seconds.
di ba lang yun nasa siguro? Malagos. Malagos!
Kaya Mike, time out po kami.
Now the ball. Malajos. Free. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos.
Ay, lupit! Yes! Dapat mo na!
Regona. Too strong. It's technical foul on Sarmiento. Oh, this is starting.
7.
Time out on Cebu.
Hindi tinatawag ko si Marius para doon lang kasi nga, di ba natumba, hindi man lang yung one, inalalayan.
Ay, tawag kami minsan ng pangalaman. Bawal. Bakit ilang ba nila yung utak ng sinasabi mo?
Ubus ako dito. Stop
Alam
nila,
naman
stop nila. Huwag mo
ano,
pasturin.
kung minsan ng pangalan.
3 minutes and 17 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Pasya. Too strong. Moneva. Whoa! Moneva. Pasya. Again, too strong. Rebound on Pasya again. St. Pat. Yes, on Pasya. 23 to 30. 7-point lead. On Cebu.
Lapit, lapit! Ayo, bupet mo!
Verga. Nice pass. Dubal. Kick out pass. Malajos. Too strong. Rebound top. Verga. Malajos. Short. It's 2-1. Whoa, it's 25 to 30 now. 5-point lead on Cebu.
Gamit oras, pre!
2 minutes.
Labang tayo, gamit oras! Lapit na!
Mulava.
Buka! Hands up!
10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 4 on Floren. Now Luspin over the limit penalty.
Go!
Penalty.
Yan lang po rin.
Lauren first.
Ha?
First.
First personal foul on Floren.
Kasi kanina doon ginanggat.
1 minute and 48 seconds. 25 against the 30. Now Sarmiento. Now Domingo. Maxino. Same ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Pergola attempt. Too strong. Rebound on Moneva. Foul. Foul again on Sunday, Domingo. It's penalty ref, penalty.
Domingo second.
Second personal foul on Sunday, Domingo. "31 versus 25.
Shoot on.
Short. Rebound again, Muneva. Yes! On Muneva. Rebound again by Muneva.
Wala, naiwan na ang Cebu, ang fan. Cebu.
Dubal, Sarmento. Rebound on Pelagola. Loren. Foul.
Moneva.
Foul on
Moneva.
Muneva. Foul on Muneva. First foul on Muneva and warning for Loren for elbow.
Sorry.
45 seconds, 45. (26-33).
Bugwak.
27-33, 45 seconds. Dubal, Ebreka. Nice pass! 35-27, 30 seconds.
Oh, wag ka magsundat doon.
20 seconds.
Score.
Lalim.
15. Rebound on Sarmento. Foul on Priagola. It's penalty rep. Six seconds, 6.
Dapat may kasabot.
And ang for second quarter score 36-27. It's 9-point lead on Cebu.
Bawas tayo, Cebu, bawas tayo. Bawas. Ang kukunin namin, sir, yung jersey nyo lang. Kinuha na lahat yung jersey nyo. Kinuha yung jersey lahat. Hindi yung bayad kayo. May 4 kayo na jersey, hindi na bayaran. Lahat na mga players nyo, kinuha na lahat jersey. Kulang pa kayo.
Next game, ibigay mo na yun.
Los Bimbo, Los Bim.
Next game daw. Na? Next 200 na lang daw. Nasaan yung pera dito? 400, 600, 500. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 780.
Jeffrey. Bang! 38 to 27, 11 point lead now Cebu. Assassin. 14 to shoot. Orbano short. Rebound on Matibag.
Bartolome.
All on the Assassin Bartolome. Now Laberloy. Uy. Ikan pass. Uy. Panganiban. 10 to shoot. 10. Jeffrey. Short. It's Santos. Spin ball. Spin.
Bartolome.
Carmona. Nice pass downside to Bartolome. Urbano to Urbano. Urbano again. 10 to shoot. 10. Wow. Foul on number 14. On Magtibag. First on Cebu. Eight minutes and 19 seconds. Top. Now Ruxman, guarded by the Assassin. Ruxman, run, roll away! 40 to 27, it's 13-point lead now against Cebu. Urbano, guarded by Panganiban, foul. Foul on number 12 on Panganiban. Second team foul on Cebu. The Assassin, Gary Meloy. Carmona. Nice pass to Santos. Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Time out. On speed. It's 7 minutes and 37 seconds. 40 against 27. 13-point lead on speed. On Cebu. And timeout is brought to you by Basketballista. The Inkers, Abu Dhabi. 2 and 6 to go. Philippines. 10 seconds to shoot. Inbounding Santos. Assassin. Back to Carmona. Carmona one to one rebound. Nice defense on Cebu. Now Jeffrey looking for steal by Santos. It's Santos now looking for Urbano. Too strong rebound again on Jeffrey. Jeffrey looking for Panganiban. Panganiban 1-on-1. It's foul. Foul on Urbano. It's first team foul on Luspin. First on number 21 on Urbano. Now Laberloy, 1-on-1 against Urbano. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14. Rushman. Whoa! It's Rushman, 42-27. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Bartolome. Looking for Carmona. Back to Assassin, Bartolome. Guided by Laberloy. 10 to shoot. Carmona. Top. Lamerloy against Lamerloy. Rushman back. Rushman too strong. Rebound by Rushman. Rushman back to Bartolome. 14 to shoot. 14. Magsalap. 10 to shoot. Panganiban. Black. Jeffrey. Short. Now rebound Urbano. It's Luzmin ball. Luzmin. Substitution up. Sub. Time out on Cebu. It's 42-27. 13-point lead on 15-point lead Cebu. Last 4 minutes and 56 seconds for our third quarter. This is our inter-province category. Cebu against Luzmin. Urbano. Looking for Santos. Bartolome, 40 to shoot. The assassin. Foul on number 4 on Floren. It's third on Floren. First on second team foul on Luzmin. Lamerloy.
Galaw!
Jeffrey.
Aywa.
Rebound on Jeffrey again. Now Floren to Assassin. Assassin all around. Assassin no! Top! Magsaw! Now Lamerloy. Lamerloy. Nice pass. Short top. Rebound Urbano. It's Urbano all the way. Urbano. 29-42. It's 13-point lead against Cebu. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Time to shoot. Rebound on Floren. Urbano is foul. Whoa! Basket count on 1 on the assassin Bartolome. Substitution net. Foul on Panganiban. It's 13 foul on Cebu. Second personal foul on Panganiban. It's 42 to 31. 11-point lead on Cebu. Three minutes and 29 seconds. against 42. 2-point lead, 10-point lead on Cebu. Now Rosman. 14 to shoot. Javier. Wow, Javier. 3 minutes. Assassin again, big. Can we Javier? Assassin over Assassin. Foul. Foul on number 1 on Rosman. Substitution depth. Warning for penalty on Cebu. Sub depth.
Rashman first.
First personal foul against Rosman. Basket substitution there, basket substitution. Violation tayo, dumaan. Violation tayo ni Jeffrey, violation tayo. Javier. Now, Moneba. 14 to shoot. Oh! Monaba! 46 to 32. 14-point lead Cebu. Lauren. Foul. Sabrep. Foul on. Pagtibay. Penalty rep. Penalty.
Buddy, tawag mo na screen, huwag ka mag-ISO.
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Kyle, isa!
$33 to 46.
Magtuto na nga lang kayo.
2 minutes.
Nice one!
Black by Floren. Oh! Monaba! One minute and 40 seconds. Santos to Floren. Wanna go by Floren.
Eh, dito na lang kayo. Hindi naman namin yung
48-35. Oh! Wanna go again by Monaba. 50 to 35. 15-point lead on Cebu.
Ay na, dami! Tumaw ka na!
Ah, it's Santos. 1 minute. 50-37. 14 to shoot. Javier, long tray. Short. Top. Rebound on Tane, ha? 40 seconds. Nice defense of Manila. Santos. Wow, back-to-back shot coming from Santos in 30 seconds.
Ayaw dong, relax naman ta! Eh, wala! Foul line. Foul.
Ah. Foul on number 24 on Santos. Third team foul on the screen. 24 seconds, 24. Oh, it's Rushman. 20 seconds.
Last shot!
Javier, 10 seconds.
Kaya, baba!
5.
Kaya pa yan.
Foul. Oh, basket count on one again on Assassin. Foul on number 14 on Magtibag. $52-41. It's 52 on 41. Second personal foul on Magtibag. 1 second. Release. Time tayo. Release tayo.
Buzzer tayo, buzzer.
Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Cebu ball, Cebu. 11-point lead on Cebu, 52. Against the 41. Last quarter, last.
Urbano, Bartolome, Carmona, Magsino. 17, who are you 17?
Now Louis.
Ubos oras ha, 11 lamang.
Jaime Urbano. Duval. Abrenica. Oh, what a pass! Pangaliban, it's 54 for North Yuan. 13-point lead on Cebu. Assassin. Informana to Urbano. Ah, nice steal. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
Galaw, galaw!
10.
Pasok din yan!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Urbano.
1-2 natin! 1-2!
54-44. Duval. 10 to shoot. Belica. It's 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 10-point lead on Cebu. 54 against the 44. Rebound on Pangaliban. It's foul. Foul on number 17 on Pagkibot.
Okay lang!
First on Pagkibot. First team foul on Lusby.
Sige, bawal yung depensa!
Second on Pagkibot.
Atake mo na!
On sportsmanlike foul. Number 7 on sportsmanlike foul on Lambrega. First on Cebu. First on Lambrega. Technical free throw shot.
Solo, M!
Sub.
Number 28, patayin nyo!
Urbano. 14 to shoot. Estancial. Black. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Walang pawakin yan!
Ang Pangaliban.
Naiwan na!
Duval. Back to Louis.
Hawa!
Bugo. Guard by. Steal na on Urbano. Urbano foul. Foul on Louis. Third on Louis. Third personal foul on Louis. Second on Cebu.
Tira, JR! Open na ako, tira! Gol! Jake!
Now 45 to 54. 9-point lead on Cebu. Short.
Nice! Natin, full! Wag!
Pagkibot. Now Bartolome. Urbano. Bartolome. Urbano. Lalong. Too strong. Rival again. On Magsino. Let me try. Air ball. Stop. It's Cebu ball. Cebu. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 54 against 45. 9-point lead on Cebu. Sub. Same ball, 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot.
Parang alam mo, di ba rin Tagalog?
Pantulame! Back-to-back turnover on both teams. It's 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Nine-point lead on Cebu. Time to shoot. Urbano. Carmona. Bang! Basket count and one on Carmona. Foul on Bugos. 13 foul on Cebu. 47-54. 7-point lead on Cebu. Sub.
7 points lang yan, oh. One team. Para. Tiket, ha. Nice shot.
48-54. 6-point lead now, Cebu. Four minutes and 55 seconds. Whoa! Explorer timeout on Cebu. It's 54-50. 4-point lead now on Cebu.
Ten minutes.
Muneba. Jeffrey. Diba by Floren. Carmona.
And one. Bang.
Foul. Foul on Muneba. Warning for penalty Cebu.
Dalawa.
Second on Muneba.
Nice.
51, 54.
Depensa na meron, depensa. Press.
Foul. Foul on Carmona. Second team foul on Luspin.
Sige na.
Second team foul on Luspin.
Depensa. Usap kayo.
Compose lang, oy!
8 seconds, ha? Kabila. Wala sila.
Tawakan lang sila doon! Tawakan ba?
Open.
Forcing to shoot.
Nice one.
Foul. Foul on Urbano. Third team foul on Luspin.
Urbano second.
Second on Urbano.
Paano makapinitig sila yung taro?
Isa lang. Dong, I like pagigil dong.
3 minutes and 38 seconds. Ah, 55 to 51. 4-point lead on Cebu. Bartolome. 14 to shoot. 10. Block. It's 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot.
Hey, cutter. Push.
Nice foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on Carmona.
Sorry. Third, Carmona.
Third on Carmona.
Warning penalty. Both team warning penalty.
Now both teams in warning for penalty. 56 to 51. Sub-rep, substitution.
Pasok.
Umiiyak na yung anak ni Ate Bula.
Labas, Loy!
Panganiban. Tuloy. Mune ba? Oh! Mune ba? Jeffrey and Florin out of the ball game. Out of the game.
'Sorry.
Ginugulo yung laro dito eh.
Hoy, Jeff.
Labas, Floren, labas.
2 minutes 31 seconds. 2 minutes. After the ball game, it's Luspin ball. Luspin ball.
Symbol tayo.
Same ball. Two minutes and 31 seconds. 59 to 51. Panganiban. Muna ba? Two minutes and 15 seconds. 14 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 24 shot clock violation. Last 2 minutes. Urbano. Alon mo ba? Penalty.
Never third.
Sab na rin. Santos out, Santos.
Warning sila. Warning kayo.
1 minute and 51 seconds.
Lakban!
52-59. 7-point lead. On Cebu.
Hey! Sabi tayo!
1 minute and 39 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Aywa!
Oh! 1 minute and 20. Carmona. Urbano. It's foul. Oh, it's technical foul on Javier. Free throw, typical free throw on Bartolome. 1 minute 11 seconds. Technical free throw.
Hindi, sabi mo.
52, 53, 61. 1 minute 11 seconds. Urbano.
Yan. Chakre!
40 to shoot. Pakikot. Panganiban. It's rock ball. 63, 53. 50 seconds. Magsino. It's 42 seconds. 42.
Kawanan, lakay, nahabak ko yun. Bawi kayo next time.
36 seconds. Penalty, penalty.
Magsinaw. Magsinaw third.
Third on Magsino.
Dong, palitoy ako tara mo ginawa si Dong! Dong, ako na pakyawan yun, Dong!
64-53.
Bakit si Muneva? Bakit si Muneva naman? Nagpan naman na si Cornel.
Sige na, suloy. Tagal na iba.
Bang, bang, bang! Gol Urbano! 25 seconds.
Bilis, 25 seconds. Bilis, 25 seconds.
$25 seconds, 25. Foul, 23 seconds, 23. 23 seconds, 23.
Talagang pinapatay tayo pag sila kakapatid.
23 seconds.
Doon ka muna kasi mapipicture pa ako eh. Ako na dito.
Sinabi ko na!
Kasi mapipicture pa.
Sinabi ko na.
Kaya papatayin eh. Mapipicture pa tayo.
67-56.
Doon ka na mapipicture pa.
Sinabi ko na nga, ito naman.
Pagpatayin ko naman eh.
Hindi na.